Are you tired of using complicated tools to manage trade shows? Or worse, are you still using spreadsheets and manual processes to manage your entire event? With vFairs, there's a better way. Let's show you how vFairs' end-to-end platform simplifies trade show management and creates real value for attendees and exhibitors. First, you can launch your event in minutes with our quick setup tools. Share your event details in our event setup form, and vFairs will instantly configure your event backend. Once you're set up, our launchpad gives you a tailored checklist with quick links to exactly the tools you need. Simply click to design stunning custom apps, virtual events, landing pages, email campaigns, and more. When you're ready, you can set up attendee and exhibitor registration forms through an easy drag and drop form builder. Customize the form fields with the information you need and integrate with your preferred payments platform. Then, host it all on a beautiful custom-designed event landing page. You can even add a custom floor map to your landing pages where exhibitors can click and purchase booths right on the spot. Interested in negotiating booth pricing with your exhibitors? vFairs offers a booth and allowance negotiation module where you and your exhibitors can agree upon booth prices and specific in-booth discounts they want to offer buyers during the event. Then, document the agreed-upon terms through vFairs' custom invoicing tool. As you onboard your exhibitors, they'll get access to their own dedicated exhibitor portal. Get your exhibitors started by setting up a task list with dates, deadlines, and reference documents. As they complete their setup tasks, they can mark each item as done. You can track all of your exhibitors' progress through the task list to make sure everyone's on track leading up to the event. Exhibitors can set up their custom booth designs, upload product listings, manage their team, and build targeted lead capture forms. Post-event, they can track their booth's performance to evaluate the ROI of participating at your event. When it comes to the event day, vFairs has all the tools to keep things running smoothly. Whether you're hosting your trade show on-site or online, for in-person events, say goodbye to never-ending check-in lines. You can speed up check-in queues and print badges instantly by scanning attendees' QR codes, searching names manually, or use our cutting-edge AI facial recognition. You can choose to let your team manage check-ins or set up self-serve kiosks and watch attendees breeze through check-in. In-person and virtual participants can get lots of value out of your trade show through our networking and lead generation tools. Our virtual exhibit booths are available on-site through the mobile app and online through the virtual platform. This makes it easy for attendees to view product listings, place orders, and start chats with booth reps right away. If your exhibitors are generating leads on site, our lead capture app is the perfect tool. Booth reps can capture lead information in 3 quick ways, either by scanning attendee QR codes, scanning business cards, or through manual entry. Every single lead can be easily exported to their CRM system, like HubSpot, Salesforce. Tag leads as hot, cold, or urgent, and assign follow-ups on the spot. Because in the world of trade shows, timing is everything. Our order-taking app turns every booth into a mobile storefront. Exhibitors can manage inventory, process orders, and track sales in real time, while attendees browse catalogs and complete purchases with just a few taps. For even more valuable networking, you can set up guaranteed meetings between exhibitors and hosted buyers before the doors open. You can also offer attendees and exhibitors the option to set up meetings ad hoc as the event progresses. Attendees and exhibitors can also search and filter users to find profiles they're interested in connecting with, and choose to start chats or audio and video calls. On-site attendees can experience your event in a more engaging and valuable way with the help of our mobile event app. You can include your custom-designed interactive floor maps to help attendees navigate the event. You can engage attendees through gamification, like on-site scavenger hunts and leaderboards. vFairs also offers an AI-powered event assistant that answers common questions attendees may have. For virtual attendees, vFairs creates immersive digital experiences that rival the real thing. You can choose to design custom lobbies, virtual exhibit halls, and networking lounges from our library of templates, or custom design environments yourself. Whatever you choose, vFairs makes your event feel immersive, engaging, and easy to navigate. Plus, set up online scavenger hunts and leaderboards just like in the mobile app. To track and prove your ROI, get real-time analytics and post-event metrics to paint the whole picture. Track lead capture, product orders, and engagement across exhibitors. Exhibitors can review stats from their dedicated portals, and you can export more detailed reports to further share success metrics with them. As an organizer, you can track event registration data, check-ins and logins, and measure attendee engagement with precision. vFairs makes exhibitors more successful, attendees more engaged, and you more confident as an organizer. Whether you're planning your first trade show or your 50th, make vFairs your partner for events. Ready to see what your next trade show could become? Reach out to sales@vfairs.com to learn more.